Let me explain an overview of the company named I Am Gonna Help You Now. This company consists of experienced 360 professionals bringing the know-how to make lasting change for our clients. We are not typical management consultants. We provide industry and discipline-specific knowledge and 360 expertise, which amplifies our impact and helps us shape the future for our clients. I Am Gonna Help You Now is a diverse, entrepreneurial, non-competitive partnership of individuals who like to pursue new opportunities or build a unique educational module, helping business to continue doing what they do best in a fun environment. Education consultants in 360 degrees, breaking down complex problems into discrete tasks and identify the key aspects of a problem. We will effectively manage the execution of individual project work streams. This typically includes developing hypotheses, managing data collection, model creation and analyses, conducting primary, complex survey and interviews and secondary research, creatively tackling information limitations, and surfacing insights. We will also synthesize findings into written presentations, reviewing and discussing with leadership and other stakeholders. We will work side by side with clients and your project team members in project delivery through accurate and high-quality execution. As the director of the 360-degree marketing and product team, I will play a lead role in amplifying the expansion of the Chamber of Commerce, utilizing a 3-in-1 virtual reality training series, immersive learning platform. Core to this role is to be the person responsible for growing the brand by effectively navigating the intersection of consumer insights, product development, creative activation, impact communications, and public relations. I will leverage the subject matter experts within the team and across the organization to grow the brand across new geographies. Launch increasingly rave-worthy categories of information, education and entertainment, and develop distinctive, immersive share-worthy brand communications to successfully position companies for the future. We believe in creating products, services, and solutions that go beyond the user's expectations to enrich the quality of their lives. So we also incorporated Blizzy Code's technology for message deployment, recognized for excellence within the industry and beyond. We bring deep industry knowledge and state-of-the-art problem-solving capabilities and tools tailored to the needs of our client. I'm Gonna Help You Now will be working with companies and investors around the world, across all levels of the global education and tech sectors, early childhood, primary and secondary, vocational and higher education, corporate and professional and lifelong. We will work with senior management, boards of directors, and private equity investors to address strategic and operational opportunities and challenges through proven, results-oriented approaches. We deliver value through innovative growth and investment strategies, customer experience design, digital transformations, pricing optimization, and sales channel deployment, creating sustainable shareholder value.